Take a good look at this. Take a good, close look. It looks like a book, and one could argue it is, but I am here to tell you, in fact, no. It is not a book, it's a watch box. A watch box that houses the CIGA design mechanical watch X series timepiece. And you can see it when you flip to the first page here. You get a little window preview of the watch face, which is followed by the entire watch in all its glory on the following page with your choice in watch band. After that, the rest of the book discusses the details of the watch and how to operate it. But if you're anything like me, you want to see this watch put together and up close, so let's put this thing together. Now, this watch has a lot going on here. Let me first start with a few of the highlights, starting with the watch face, which sits under synthetic sapphire crystal, which they say has a 9 on the Mohs scale, second only in hardness to diamond. You then have the skeleton dial on top of a really cool looking X-shaped movement, which is quite something in itself. I'm actually going to go ahead and read right from the book about this movement and tell you what they say about it. The X-shaped cross-beam structure is created using the principles of physics and 4 stable triangular structures enclosed within the case, making it the most concise and stable innovative movement deck structure in physics. The gear train of the movement is evenly distributed around the cross beams to achieve a stable operation of the movement. They also say it has up to 40 hours power reservation with 21,600 oscillations per hour. All of that too comes with 2 different straps. You got a nylon one and a silicone one, with the silicone one being my personal favorite. I love the weave pattern, and it's just a very comfortable strap on the wrist, and I think between the two it just matches the watch better. Now, one thing I want to showcase just one more time too is just how cool this watch looks. I mean, you can pretty much see every single part as it's doing its thing, and then on top of that, the movement they designed with the X shape there is just even more awesome in my opinion. Now, when it comes to pairings on this one, I think it has the benefit of pretty much going with anything. I mean, it's clear and it's silver, so you can style it with pretty much anything you want. I mean, you can go with formal wear, casual wear, in between, you know, relaxed looks, whatever you pretty much want to do with this. It's got that certain look to it that it says it's formal enough for the party, but you can also wear it to lunch in a t-shirt and no one's really going to give it a second thought. In the end here, for me, I have to be honest with what I see, and let me preface this first by saying I'm not a watch guy, I'm not a watch expert, so I don't have the expertise and the experience to really judge watches based on some of the criterias that some of these other people do. So basically what I look for in a watch is I want them to look and feel good. That's pretty much it, and this one here checks both of those boxes while adding in the benefit of the customer experience. As I've said in the past, I'm a big sucker for cool presentations and packaging, and I think the book idea as the watch box was pretty creative, and it was a nice touch. I think it was really cool. As far as the watch itself, it felt really good on the arm. It's got a nice big face, and once again, the design is just mesmerizing almost. It's very clean looking, and after living with it for a couple of weeks now, I think it's a really cool watch, and honestly, I had a good time looking at it. The final verdict, though, as always, is up to you, and if you'd like to check this watch out for yourself, I will put a link to it in the description for you, and of course I would love to hear your opinion on it as well, so toss that down in the comment section for me, and while you're there, do the usual and hit the buttons for me, like, subscribe being the major one. Make sure you do that. Take it easy. I'll see you next time.